What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Rock Bands, and I'm back with another video. I'm gonna show y'all how people for 4th of July they pop fireworks. All right, let's just listen and just watch. I know it's dark because you can't see me. The moon. See the apartments, but on Charleville Road, they killing after they think. After they pop fireworks, they just shoot. Like that's crazy. See, they over there. You can see the smoke. Well, yeah, right there. If you see that light stuff, if you see that red and white light, and look up, you see it. Ooh, look. That and that. And down across the street, we was having a war. It was a lot of fun. Ooh, see, they shot a gun. If you live in Valley, you gonna have to move, cause tonight they're gonna be shooting at each other or shooting up in the air real bad. So, alright, that's the end of the video. I will just showing you. Alright.